This coin will probably turn your $1,000 into $10,000 in less than 24 hours. Which coin am I talking about? Welcome back to Cryptogains. Guys, this is bang the mic. This is high risk. This is toxic biohazard plays that I'm doing here. I'm on movepump.fun and I'm trying to find the next big meme. And I think the way to find it is you come over to these projects. So guys, if you're going to play about with this like I am, put what you can afford to lose. You could lose all your money. This is extreme high risk plays. But I think in order for us to make massive gains in crypto, especially with meme coins, we need to get in before the pump. What happened for? I can't have it. Move Pump has got so much opportunities, just like your pump.fun and all these other ones, these some pump.memes, there lies huge opportunities for massive, massive gains. And if you can get in before the pump, then you just become flipping rich. Because $20 can turn to 100 grand. And that's not a joke. But when I come over to it, I've got to be careful with what I get involved in. I've just seen this bubble on Sui. Right now, I haven't even bought this yet. 2.8. It's just stupid. It's the most toxic. No other YouTubers would show you such tiny caps because they don't want to deal with your he's sharing pump and dump. Well, it's already pumped and dumped. Look at it. So how can I share it? It's already done. It's done its deeds. But you will not find your bigger YouTubers share you opportunities like this. Why do I call it opportunity? Because this could 10x within the next 24 hours. As soon as I share it to my Patreons, it wouldn't surprise me if it sits at a 30 to 50k market cap, and then when it gets on YouTube, it might go to 400k, 500k if they see the opportunity behind it. And if it doesn't happen now, it will happen in the future when that huge excitement comes in the crypto space, where people just want to make crazy money. They throw it into memes and make crazy gains. You saw it with the Cheers DiCaprio. I showed you Cheers at an 11k cap that went to 20-30 million within 2 days. So I'm showing you now a 2.8k cap. Should I buy this? It's already had the pump and dump, which means the developer, this is now going to be, if I share this, it's going to be a CTO. And I really hope that the developer don't become a fool. I hope, you know what, developer, if you're watching, buy back into your token, please. And just have patience, because this is what you see. You see developers or founders, or whatever they are, whatever you want to call them, a person that makes a coin, because it's just a person at the end of the day, you know, called a developer. You develop nothing. MovePump developed it for you. It made the token contract address. You see someone come up with a smart ass website that looks so clean. Have fun with BUBL. Soar with BUBL, bubble it. This is so clean. Sui is a water type chain. It's like that. It's known for water, because in Japan, Sui means water, right? Sui, whatever you call it Sui now. Bubble, it's what you have. Kids play with bubbles. I can't believe that this is not sitting on like 20-30 million market cap right now, because the way this looks right now, this should, look at it, it should be sitting up there as a 20 to 30 million market cap. BUBL could boom. But that's my personal opinion. I haven't even bought it. I'm going to buy it after this video. And if you want to get in early, you can become a Patreon, because they have the opportunity to buy at these market caps. I might make a little short. Say this coin will 10x within 24 hours and we'll see if it does. I think it will. That's if it doesn't, just someone's watching my flipping video right now. You know, sometimes when you're recording, it just jumps up in price. I hope people don't see the opportunity that I'm seeing. You got people over here, there's the creator, sold out completely to us. You need to stop this. Why would you go through all the effort to make a decent looking website to just dump it for a couple of grand when you could become a multi-millionaire, multi-billionaire? Because look at this. The animation behind this is nice, man. It says, in the world of Sui, love is simple, BUBL, because that's a ticker, BUBL, loves blub. Okay. Because blub is the flipping fish, and together they make everything. What am I for? I can't help it. They make everything a little more bubbly. When you buy your Fantas and your fizzy pops, it's all bubbles. Look, you've got cups of fizz, the bubbles. This could be big, man. Well, if the developer don't close the damn website. I don't know. Is there anyone watching right now, if you see this, that's a web developer that can copy this entire website because it's clean? just in case the founder just gets funny because he's sold out of his damn tokens because he tried to make a quick buck. And I told you, when I come over to movepump, I'm not looking for coins that are sitting on 40, 50K cap, because you don't know what the founder's going to do. They could do this. So the only way to play with these coins now is you get in when the dumps happened. So then you have the chance to get in before the big pump, if it can go there. If you see the opportunity in BUBL on Sweet, if you see the opportunity, you will put a little something. I like all these, there's blub, and there's bubble there as well. You can catch him. Can I press this? Even if I can press it, move over, catch him. It says coming soon. A meme machine. That's cool! Please. And then make it a little NFT. If I catch it, it becomes an NFT. You just can press the button. I want to catch BUBL. I love it. He's touching the bubble. He's bouncing the bubble. Look, I don't know. I like it. But take a look at this real quick. Look at the face that they're using. What's that? That's Wojak. Yeah. Wojak. Whalejack. This is too much. What a clever site. BUBL Soda. I like the site. And because I like the site, look, they got everything. They got the Twitter. They got the Telegram. That's what you want when you come onto movepump. You don't just buy anything. I sit there and I sit there for ages looking for some, because there's so much trash on here. Some of them don't even be bothered to make a website. Founder, dude, bruv, whoever you are, who put this much effort into making a decent thing, shame on you for dumping your own token for a small little buck. Because I make 10 grand in a day doing nothing sometimes, and you sold out just for 10 grand or whatever you made, I don't know. It's just a shame. Because now I'm going to come and gobble this up like an absolute boss. I will shout, I don't care. And I'm going to share my Patreons this. And it will 10x within 24 hours. Because I know. And you know. And if you don't want to miss it, become a Patreon. The link is in the info section. I'm getting them in early on opportunities like this. BUBL. Think of all the sounds that waters make. You've already got Plop that came out. I assume that's what that is. I can't do it. Yeah. That's already gone up into 20, 30 million. So these water type sounds and stuff are really getting excited over here on Swee Network with the memes and stuff. It's a cool looking meme. 7 tiers, take your pick. If you become my exclusive VIP partner tier, it will unlock all my posts. You'll see when I'm buying, selling, staking, all of that stuff. You don't miss nothing. Yeah, come and check that tier out, because that's the tier that you really want to get access to everything. If you can afford it, my next tier above, which is my CEO tier, gives you access to the VIP Telegram group. Over there's powerful. Talk about things before I buy it. They're sharing great projects all the time. I'm going in there constantly looking in my meme section. I'm looking in my micro cap section, because they got micro cap gems that are AI gaming the lot. Just come and check it out if you can afford it, because it could guide you on your journey. Very friendly people. Everybody there just want to make some money, and they're just happy sharing info, and that's what it's about. No one's hating on anyone. It's nice. It's cool. Now and again you get the odd haters, but it's cool most of the time. It's nice. So yeah, this one just shocked me. Like, I can't believe this is a 2K. I need to get off this flipping video just in case it bumps. I need to move. I'm sitting all chilled. This could move anyway. Guys, if it was helpful, drop that like, give us a subscribe. I want to buy some. Become a Patreon. Link is in the info. They saw this video first. And yeah, I'll just see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.